there's an ideology that you cannot use your air conditioning units on solar and a whole bunch of other things. So I'm going to be showing you a few things actually. I think I'll just be making coffee. So I'll show you the process of actually what this thing is all about and what we're actually generating from the solar unit right here. Actually, we have this AC, this air conditioning unit right here. This cools the entire building right here.
The building is fully powered by solar. We run our ACs, fans, lights, even our kettles, which I'm also going to be showing you in a minute.
And you can actually see it on the screen right there, that we are currently generating 2,000. This is 2,178 watt currently. So it's not just this big one, not just this one right here. We have one other AC currently on right here. And you can see it right there. So this AC is on and that one is also on right there. So that's the beauty of it. There's so much that is actually happening here that you can actually see. It's that meat, that idea that you cannot use solar and use and have your AC powered. It's actually a myth. That's just what it is. All right, so let's go make some coffee. So I have my coffee prepped, and you can see it right there. I'm not the heaviest coffee drinker, but I love coffee. And my water is just that right there. I guess I just have to just put this on right here, and yeah, it's on. Voila! And this is the beauty of solar. You can basically do anything. Palm Africa's technology gives you, that advantage, to basically do anything. I think I want to take this process and show you what we are currently generating from this right here. So I can actually see it that the water heater is on. So as you can see right here, okay, let me stabilize my camera right there. It's currently at 3,635 watts, and that's actually because the water heater is on. This would probably go down in like a few seconds because if the water gets hot, it's actually going to go up itself. All right, so, and as you can see, the solar is basically complementing for it. So when I put the water heater on, this actually spiked to 3,000 also. That's power coming in from solar. As you can see, my battery is still at 98%, which is pretty awesome. And I always like to show the time. That's the time right there. That's 2:01. So the battery is literally full. It's probably just floating at this point. And my water heater is still on, and you can see that it's currently still generating 3,635 watts. Pretty awesome. All right, so yeah, it's gone down. So that means that my water heater is off. So it basically came back to 2,001. There's a little bit of fluctuations right there. So 29 watts. All right. Actually wanted you to see that. So you see the solar has gone back to something around that, watt. So basically, solar is basically complementing for what we are currently using in the building. Pretty awesome. Let's go see to the completion of my coffee. All right. As you can see right here, it's off. So yeah. So we made a solar coffee. Awesome. I don't know how you like your coffee, but I think I prefer it raw. Pretty nice. All right.